Top 4 best meat to flush out toxins and repair kidneys fast. What if the meat on your dinner plate right now is actually a silent death sentence for your kidneys, rather than the nourishment you believe it to be? Most people mistakenly perceive their kidneys as mere mechanical filters. But in reality, they are vibrant, living organs. They react profoundly to every single type of protein you introduce into your system. Choosing the wrong meat is like pouring fuel on a fire, forcing your kidneys to struggle against inflammation and toxic waste buildup. Conversely, the right protein sources act as a lifeline, helping to repair damaged tissues and alleviate the internal stress of toxicity. Leading renal nutrition studies in the United States have confirmed a vital philosophy. Kidney health is not necessarily about extreme meat restriction, but about the wisdom of choosing clean protein. While some meats generate a massive acidic burden, others provide pure energy that allows your kidneys to function safely and sustainably. Today, we will decode 4 specific meats highly recommended by American experts for renal recovery. You will understand exactly why they help flush out toxins, how they support cellular repair, and most importantly, how eating them the wrong way can lead to catastrophic harm. I urge you to stay with me until the very end of this video, as I will reveal a secret cooking method designed to maximize protein absorption while allowing your kidneys to rest, a crucial technique that is rarely ever discussed. Number 1. Skinless chicken breast. In our quest for renal-friendly protein sources, skinless chicken breast consistently tops the list of wise solutions trusted by the medical community in America. You must understand that your kidneys are devoted laborers, working tirelessly to filter out toxins. When we consume protein, the body produces metabolic byproducts that the kidneys are responsible for processing. Fortunately, chicken breast provides a pure and high-efficiency protein structure, assisting in the repair of muscles and connective tissues without leaving behind excessive biological waste for your filtration system to handle. Reputable scientific reports in clinical nutrition have confirmed that replacing red meats with lean poultry significantly improves blood urea nitrogen levels. To me, this is a vital metric for assessing the workload of your kidneys. The lower this index, the more breathing room your kidneys have to recover. The specific advantage of chicken breast also lies in its naturally low phosphorus content. This is a life-sustaining detail, because as kidney function declines, the ability to excrete phosphorus stalls, leading to risks of bone loss and dangerous cardiovascular complications that many of you often overlook. Prioritizing low-phosphorus protein sources is how we establish a protective barrier, preventing the progression of renal fibrosis over time. Chicken breast also possesses minimal saturated fat, preserving the integrity of the vascular system, the very lifeline that nourishes your kidneys' filtering capacity. When internal inflammation is controlled, the kidneys operate more fluently. Furthermore, this food yields a mild alkalizing effect after metabolism, alleviating the acid burden on sensitive nephrons. If you find these insights helpful, please comment with the number 1 below. It's a simple way for me to know you're still engaged and joining me on this journey of healthy, high-quality living. However, the value of chicken breast can be completely destroyed if you prepare it incorrectly. Fried or crispy breaded dishes may be tasty, but they harbor extremely high levels of sodium and trans fats, placing direct pressure on your blood pressure and heart health. According to the American Heart Association, excessive salt is the number 1 enemy causing irreversible kidney damage. Processed products like nuggets or canned meats must also be avoided, as they contain chemical phosphate additives that easily infiltrate the bloodstream. The optimal methods for you are steaming, boiling, or light searing. Use flavors from fresh herbs, lemon, or natural spices instead of salt to ensure your kidneys are cherished and given time to self-heal every day. Number 2. Lean turkey. In the search for renal-friendly protein sources, lean turkey emerges as a perfect alternative, often found in specialized dietary plans across the United States. Experts favor turkey over red meat for its ability to provide a powerful protein source without placing excessive strain on the kidney filters. You must understand that protein is the essence of life, especially for seniors, as it preserves muscle mass, promotes healing, and maintains agility. Lean turkey delivers sufficient protein to keep you strong, without leaving behind the heavy metabolic waste typically associated with dark red meats or high-fat animal products. This delicate balance makes turkey a centerpiece in many renal nutrition protocols. Another core value of lean turkey is its modest purine content compared to most game or livestock meats. As you know, purines break down into uric acid, and if levels exceed the limit, they crystallize into sharp needles, causing joint pain and increasing the kidney's excretory burden. Studies have proven that managing purine intake helps minimize microinflammation in kidney tissues, allowing blood to circulate and be filtered more effectively. If you find these insights helpful, please comment with the number 2 below. It's a simple way for me to know you're still engaged and joining me on this journey of healthy, high-quality living. Furthermore, lean turkey is a treasure trove of nutrients for comprehensive kidney protection. It contains selenium, a mineral that acts as an antioxidant shield, protecting kidney cells from the attack of harmful free radical molecules. The presence of natural B vitamins in this meat also helps you generate energy, nourish the nervous system, and support red blood cell production, countering the fatigue and weakness often experienced by those with declining kidney function. Nourishing the body with these vitamins is the key to maintaining endurance and enhancing your general quality of life every day. However, I must warn you that the preparation method determines everything. Packaged turkey products, like deli meats or sausages found in supermarkets, often contain extremely high levels of sodium and additive phosphates, which cause fluid retention, raise blood pressure, and accelerate renal scarring. The wisest choice is fresh, lean, unprocessed turkey. Prioritize methods such as baking, boiling, or light searing with natural seasonings like garlic and herbs instead of salt. Choosing fresh turkey allows the body to absorb clean protein, protects kidney function from hidden chemicals, and lets you enjoy the flavors of life with peace of mind. Number 3. White fish. Throughout specialized renal hospital units across the United States, white fish is consistently prioritized as an exemplary protein source for recovery menus. Species such as cod, tilapia, and haddock are celebrated for their light nature, rapid bioavailability, and provision of clean protein without forcing the kidneys to overexert themselves. At your stage of life, as the digestive engine begins to slow down, dense red meats become a significant challenge. Whitefish, with its delicate muscle structure, easily breaks down so the body can fully utilize nutrients, thereby minimizing the production of nitrogen waste. As you know, nitrogen is the primary byproduct that kidneys must laboriously filter daily. When this waste load decreases, your kidneys gain a chance to rest and operate more smoothly. Numerous clinical dietary studies have demonstrated that consuming moderate amounts of white fish allows for more sustainable protein tolerance compared to livestock-based proteins. Another exceptional advantage that leads me to encourage this choice is its naturally low fat content. Overindulging in fatty meats can trigger oxidative stress, a silent, destructive process that damages the delicate filtering cells within the kidneys. With minimal saturated fat, white fish helps soothe these negative reactions. Additionally, certain varieties provide precious omega-3 fatty acids, a natural remedy that reduces systemic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the hidden enemy that weakens blood vessels and diminishes renal filtration capacity over the years. From a scientific perspective, omega-3s from fish support the flexibility of vessel walls, allowing for smoother blood flow by improving endothelial function. You must remember that the kidneys and the circulatory system are inseparable companions. Only when the heart and blood vessels are healthy can the kidneys perfectly fulfill their detoxification mission. Whitefish also assists in balancing blood lipid levels, protecting you from cardiovascular events that often go hand in hand with kidney disease. Due to its refined texture and standardized nutritional profile, it is the #1 choice for those needing to maintain energy without increasing the workload on the body's filter. However, I must remind you that moderation remains the golden key. While whitefish is beneficial, it still contains a moderate amount of phosphorus, so those in advanced stages of kidney disease must be careful to control portions to avoid mineral buildup in the blood. Natural seafood also contains some sodium, which can lead to fluid retention if consumed too frequently. Another trap involves pre-seasoned frozen fish products, often injected with salt additives, pushing sodium levels far beyond the safety threshold. To protect your kidneys, choose entirely fresh fish and prioritize methods like steaming or light grilling with herbs, garlic, and lemon instead of salt. Simplicity in preparation not only preserves flavor, but also ensures you absorb protein in the safest manner possible. Before we proceed further, I earnestly ask you to support the Kidney Health 365 channel by hitting the subscribe button. This small act helps natural kidney protection messages reach more people. If you have any health inquiries or personal experiences, please do not hesitate to share them in the comments below. Every contribution is a valuable brick in building a community that thrives together. I am also very curious to know where you are watching from and your current age so I can provide more practical and personalized advice in future content. Number 4. Fresh shrimp. Fresh shrimp is one of the most debated seafood choices in kidney nutrition discussions throughout the United States. In reality, shrimp is not an enemy, but it is also not a food that you can consume freely without strict portion control. In the philosophy of kidney care, I often refer to shrimp as a food for mindful enjoyment. It brings valuable biological benefits when used correctly, but it becomes a burden if you overindulge or prepare it poorly. With moderate protein and a naturally low-fat structure, shrimp allows your body to digest much more easily than heavy livestock meats. When protein breakdown occurs smoothly, the amount of metabolic waste entering the bloodstream decreases, directly liberating the kidneys from stressful hours of toxin filtration. Furthermore, shrimp provides micronutrients that harmoniously support body systems linked to kidney health. A prime example is iodine, a key element for thyroid function, which regulates metabolism and maintains steady blood flow. You must know that a balanced endocrine system is the foundation for the kidneys to control fluids and filtration pressure effectively. Additionally, shrimp contains natural antioxidants that help shield cellular structures from the destruction of free radicals. Oxidative stress is the silent flame that exhausts kidney tissues over time, and incorporating antioxidant-rich foods in balanced amounts will help you maintain more resilient organ function. Despite these undeniable advantages, shrimp still harbors hurdles that you must clearly understand. This seafood possesses higher cholesterol than average, and while dietary cholesterol is not always the sole culprit, for those of you facing kidney challenges, cardiovascular safety must always come first. Only a healthy heart can provide sufficient blood pressure for the kidneys to work. Additionally, the intrinsic sodium in shrimp can cause fluid retention and fluctuate blood pressure readings if you consume it excessively. Remember, controlling blood pressure is the golden key to preventing progressive glomerular damage. Another concern to keep in mind is the purine content in shrimp, which converts into uric acid after ingestion. Excess uric acid not only causes joint pain, but also creates mechanical pressure on the tiny kidney tubules. However, this does not mean you must reject shrimp entirely. In the early stages of declining kidney function, occasionally including shrimp in your menu is an excellent way to maintain muscle mass and support blood cell production, keeping your body full of energy and vitality. Moderation is the art of enjoying the gifts of the sea while keeping your body at peace. The harmfulness of shrimp usually only appears when it is altered by industrial processing. Dried, salted, or prepackaged shrimp products are true sodium traps, which can cause edema and place your filtration system in a state of red alert. Consuming these products frequently will exacerbate blood cholesterol and uric acid levels. The safest way I always recommend is to buy fresh shrimp and prioritize pure cooking methods like steaming, boiling, or light grilling. Use the aroma of garlic, herbs, or the zest of lemon to awaken your palate instead of salt. This intelligent choice will help you receive clean protein, comprehensively protect kidney function, and maintain a quality, peaceful life. Closing advice from Dr. Mattheus. Protecting your kidneys does not merely stop at avoiding harmful foods. The core lies in the wisdom of choosing nutrients that promote the self-healing process and safely eliminate toxins. As we have analyzed, certain animal proteins, when selected and prepared correctly, become powerful allies for kidney function. Skinless chicken breast provides pure protein with minimal metabolic waste. Lean turkey is a golden solution for controlling uric acid levels while preserving muscle resilience. White fish offers gentle protein, supporting the steady circulation of your blood vessels. Finally, fresh shrimp, when enjoyed in moderate amounts, supplies essential micronutrients to maintain homeostatic balance in your body. The final message I want to engrave in your heart is simple. Health does not come from consuming massive amounts of meat, but from prioritizing clean protein sources and applying cooking methods that preserve renal purity. Small daily dietary decisions are the precious medicine that alleviates pressure on the excretory system, nourishes recovery, and maintains vital energy as we cross into the later stages of life. You must understand that kidney damage often occurs in silence. Therefore, every healthy habit you build today is an invaluable investment for your future. If you find this knowledge valuable, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the Kidney Health 365 channel. This is how you help spread natural and safe kidney protection methods to the community. I am always ready to listen to your questions or real-life stories in the comments below. Your interaction not only helps you personally, but also shines a light of hope for others on the same health journey. Thank you for watching, and please always cherish your health. Your kidneys have been dedicated to you every single day, and now is the time for you to give them the care they truly deserve.